This brave young couple took on a big challenge. Behind me, where once was an old G-rated home, today Sigma Homes get to hand over an A-rated new home. The excitement begins the minute you open the front door. We've got this beautiful and all I could describe piece of furniture that's been architecturally designed. Behind these doors, you've got big hanging space. Underneath, we've got loads of room for shoes. But just look at the detail and the style. And all this is just the beginning. This leads us straight in to our new kitchen, living and dining. And it's this big beam overhead that has really opened up all this space. And behind here, we've designed this gorgeous kitchen. This kitchen is so bright and spacious. The energy in here flows so well. And that's all because of one key reason. And it's this bespoke dining right behind the island. And what it really does, it makes that connection. What ties this kitchen really well is that perfect U shape. So everything from my left, those gold handles, those well-finished doors, wrapping all the way around to the unit on the right hand side. And it's that togetherness is what gives you that magic feeling inside. And just off the kitchen, you've got this nice spacious utility room. We've got our sink, our washing machines, and it really is all you need in a utility size. The granite around this sink has finished off really well, and the 3 gold features tie in perfectly with the cabinet handles. But this movie room, we've got a window seat that wraps right around. Underneath, we've got some really clever storage. We've got our fire, and up above, we've got our TV. If your home has air to water heating, outdoors you're going to have one unit that collects all the air, but indoor you've got a second unit. This is about the size of a fridge and freezer. Here is where you have all your data. In this home, we've allocated this space for this bad boy. We've lots of space for working. This is the dashboard that tells you everything that's going on. But the most important thing to remember, every 12 months, this needs to be serviced. And that's what keeps you in warranty. We've just entered the main bathroom. We've got this floating vanity unit, and we've got this oval, slimline sink that has got that elegant feel to it. All the features in this bathroom speak for themselves. To my right, we've got our study. To my left, we've got bedroom number 1, we've got bedroom number 2, and this brings us in to our master bedroom. Fully fitted wardrobes, shaped all around this window, giving us the maximum space. And behind this door, we've got our ensuite. Our homeowners took a big chance, but the odds changed dramatically the day they hired Sigma Homes. Today, they've got a new A-rated home with a 10-year warranty. To David Holmes, Anthony, Seamus, and all the team, well done guys. It's another project finished on schedule.